to bend your right knee and take the other knee, just like in Gomukhasana, you would stack both your knees over and over. But in this posture, you are going to take the upper leg all the way up. So just pressing the inner thigh towards your abdomen. So which is going to basically massage your abdomen. And again, it is a seated twist. So you need to take your opposite arm. So which is my left knee is up in the air. And from here, I'm taking my opposite arm. So which is like inhale, bringing my right arm all the way up and keep pushing it towards my chest and holding it with my elbow here. And again, my right arm is to the side of the butt and left arm goes all the way back, creating this twist. And again, it opens up your heart. The nice twist in the back and hold the posture for 3, 2, 1. And again, to release, inhale, arms up, exhale and release. So make sure you practice this posture again by switching up your legs. Enjoy the benefits of the posture.